Hey guys, so we have here our Panasonic microwave, and in this video we want to explain to you how to set the time on one of these microwaves. So it doesn't really depend on the model, especially for Panasonic. It usually works the same way. So in case your microwave reset it, like you had a power outage or you unplugged it for a little bit, then you usually have to reset the time. And on the bottom right here on the button panel, we have here this clock button. So you want to press this one time, and then at this point here, the 2 points, those should be starting to start blinking. And now at this point, we can just type in the current time. So in this case here, 12:36. And once we've done that, then we press the clock button again, and then the two dots should stop blinking, and that means the time is now set. Now, in case you do have made a mistake, or you want to, for example, punch in a time that's smaller than 10 a.m., then you just type in, for example, here, let's say it's 8 o'clock. Then we just punch in the 8 followed by the minutes, let's say 1:06. And then if you press now the clock button, then the clock will be at 8:16. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.